Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 10 of our Command 66 Day Challenge. Today, we are going to set up our marketing profile. This is different than the profile that we set up last week, which was our KW Connect profile. That is your Keller Williams facing profile. But what we're going to set up today is your client facing profile that is going to populate on different marketing materials and email campaigns and things like that you create in Command. So on the top right, you'll click on your name, and then you'll click on Settings in the drop-down menu. And when that loads, on the left side, you're going to click on Marketing Profile. So here is where you're going to input all of the information that will populate onto all of your marketing materials generated in Command. If you came to a Take Command class a couple months ago, this is probably something you've already completed, which is awesome. Just take this time to double check that information is accurate and make sure you're not missing anything. If this is the first time you're seeing it, you're going to want to follow along and input all this information. So first is your photo. You will notice there's a recommended size for it. If you do need help resizing your photo, I would be happy to do that for you and email it to you. When we did the Take Command classes, I did resize everyone's photos as when they came to class, so I'd be happy to do that. Below that, you'll also have a spot for your team logo. We'll have a spot down below for our Market Center logo, so this is not where we'll put that. This is just if you're on a team. Then you'll get into the details section, so you'll put in your name, your license number, your team name if you're on a team, any designations that you have. You'll fill in your bio, so that may be something you've already got that you use on a website now, which is awesome. I do recommend kind of revisiting that every year and adding anything new to it. If you have done anything new, achieved new goals, anything like that, just kind of keeping it up to date. Here's where you'll have all your contact information, your phone numbers, email, website. Down below, you'll have a spot for our DBA logo, which is our office logo. It again has a recommended size, so I do have a resized version of that I will email out to everyone. And on the right side, you will have all of our Market Center information and our office license number. Below that is the legal footer. This is something I'll also email out to you guys. Everyone needs to have this in their marketing profile. And below that is all your social media links. So if you want to have links to any business social media accounts or anything like that you have, you can input those here, and then your clients are going to be able to go directly to your Facebook business page from a marketing campaign that you send out. So really awesome. And then the last thing is your branded KW app link. It says optional, but we really feel like this is super important because the app is so valuable, and especially with the new consumer app coming out later this year, anybody that has your app, there's just going to be an update, and then they're going to have the new version, which is going to really sync with different aspects of their contact inside your Command database and everything like that. So sharing that app with as many people as possible is super important. If you are not sure how to access your branded KW app link, I do have a video tutorial on my channel that will show you how to do that, so you can copy and paste it into this section. So when you have filled out everything on here, you will just hit save at the bottom, and that's going to make any changes that you may have made. It's going to save those or save everything you've inputted if this was your first time in here. So that is it for day 10 of our Command 66 Day Challenge. Make sure you get your marketing profiles completed so that you are prepared for our next task. Thanks for watching.